the Enrollment tab provides an overview of the students enrolled in your courses. The tab displays a variety of student demographic data to better understand your students. Some of the student demographics included are race and ethnicity, student groups and programs, and student gender. You also see a student list, counts by grade, counts by course and period, and student birthday information. Select the campus and teacher name when you first open this tab. As you learned in the navigation module, demographic filters are located on the right side. Once a filter is selected, data will be filtered for all visuals on the current dashboard. The dashboard can also be filtered by selecting data on the visuals. On this tab, you also have access to several student data reports. Let's take a look at the Student Summary Report. This report provides a summary of a variety of key data points for the student. At the top, we see student demographics and contact information, as well as a picture of the student if available. Students' pictures are not available for elementary students. Further down the report, you see summary data for current attendance and a graph of historical student attendance for the past 3 years. Below that, you will see summary data for grades, including recent marks and information on previous course failures for secondary students. At the bottom of the report, you will see a summary of student testing data, such as STAR, EOC, TELPAS, AP, and others. This report is useful when conferencing with parents or students, or when collecting data to monitor student progress and identify student needs. Now that you have learned all that is available here, visit this tab periodically to review course demographics and counts.